Welcome back to our lesson. Today we are diving into a cool tool called Teach Me. It's a way to get step-by-step instructions using ChatGPT to learn new things or expand your knowledge. It's like what you are doing right now, watching a video to learn about from engineering with ChatGPT. But you can also use it to get written instructions on various topics. So why should you use Teach Me? Well, it's a fantastic way to become an expert in a specific area and stay up to date. Whenever you want to learn about new tools or software and need a quick and easy guide, it's like what we talked about in the video on summarizing, where you can quickly get the main ideas super useful. How do you use Teach Me? It's simple. Just ask ChatGPT to give you step-by-step instructions. Be clear about your skill level and what you want to learn. This helps ChatGPT give you the right guidance. Let's look at how it works in ChatGPT. For example, you could say, teach me as a total beginner how to use Camtasia, which is a video editing program, to make marketing videos for Instagram step by step. Here, you are telling ChatGPT that you are a beginner and you want help from the very start. Now let's see what ChatGPT gives you. It knows you are new to this, so it starts with the basics like installing Camtasia, creating a new project, naming it, and doing important stuff like rendering and exporting. It even gets into details like frame rates and more. The instructions also cover adding transitions, text and music, and they finish with how to export your video. It's a complete guide that's perfect for beginners. Whether you like to read instructions or want a structured way to learn, Teach Me is a great tool to pick up new skills. But what if you are not a beginner? Let's say you are a pro. Your request might look like this. Teach me as a professional video editor how to use Camtasia for detailed editing of Instagram marketing videos step by step, leaving out instructions for software installation and video importing. Now let's see what you get in this case. ChatGPT says, sure, let's dive into an advanced tutorial for creating Instagram marketing videos with Camtasia. Assuming you have already installed the software, we'll skip the installation part. We'll start by setting up a new project. This guide is for people who know their way around, starting with things like picking the right video size and other important details. It goes on to talk about organizing your media, which is crucial when you are dealing with lots of different stuff like videos, audios, images, and text. It also covers advanced stuff like transitions, color correction, and grading, making your video skills even better. By telling ChatGPT your skill level, whether you are a newbie, somewhere in the middle, or a pro, you get customized and precise guidance with Teach Me. It's a great tool for learning new software, tools, or anything else efficiently. Whether you are into software, art, or anything else, ChatGPT can help you learn at your own level. So when you are on a learning adventure, make sure to tell ChatGPT what you need and you'll learn faster. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.